Welcome to the Michigan State University Tollgate Children's Garden. We have a lot of separate gardens in this area, a lot of gardens on the site. This is one of our feature gardens. So we're going to take a walk inside and see what we've got here. Okay, so we've come into the Tollgate Children's Garden. It's really a small space that has a lot of interesting features to it. It's really a garden, big garden that contains many small gardens. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about some of the gardens we have here. We have a maze. It's something that's constructed both as a place to enjoy and then also as a vine demonstration area. There's a touchy-feely garden where we have planted plants that have unique smells, unique characteristics, things that really invite somebody in. The whole garden really is constructed in a manner to try and get kids and adults interested in horticulture. It's designed to draw people in. It's designed to create interactions. Some of the other areas we have in the gardens, we have a pond that always has fish and frogs, very interesting, always has movement, something that really is exciting to the eye and the ear. We have a toll booth. The toll booth is, since our name is Tollgate, we incorporated a toll booth to pick up on the name of our site. Shade garden, Peter Rabbit garden, and then also there's a pizza garden. A lot of people don't really understand where their food stream comes from. So in our pizza garden, we have all of the vegetables that go into making a pizza. So we have basil and onions and garlic and tomatoes and peppers, and there's even a crust made out of wheat. So lots of aspects to this garden that really are intended to be stimulants to the eye and the ear, and really pull you in and make you, the whole experience enjoyable. We're in the prairie part of the children's garden now. The prairie contains lots of plants that are native to Michigan and a real collection of different types of plants, both grasses and broadleaves. The other piece we try to do in the prairie portion of the children's garden is to have pathways that get visitors to the garden right in amongst the plants. A lot of these plants are quite tall, so if you're in to the garden and the plants are hanging over and the trail and the path and you, it gets you a real feel of what a prairie would have felt like. Prairies were native to parts of Michigan, including southeast Michigan, and then extended throughout many of the western states and were really a prominent part of the ecosystem. So this is a way that you can really see a little bit of that happening here at Tollgate.